Alright, on we are here on our Figma project, and we will be creating the UI that you have seen. Okay, so this is the page that we will work on. Let's take a frame for now. Let's give it a resolution of 9020 and 1080 because that is the size of my monitor. That is the resolution of my monitor. Sorry. Let's name this as UI. We have few things on scratch, like we have grids, and we have this logo. We have color palette that we have already made styles, and we have this hero vector. We will not be using the white background. We'll remove that later on, but these are things that we have. So what we can do now is that we can go to our UI, and let's start by changing the background color to its secondary. Okay, so now let's take this grids and paste it right here, and I hope this is good. And now we need to take this logo, and let's copy that and just paste it right here. We will decrease its size, and I guess this is perfect for now. Okay, so this is our preview for now. So what we can do now is that we will need a hero text content for here, for this part of the website, and let's type that not helping building brands in metaverse space. Sounds cool. And we will decrease its size, and we'll just okay, so now we'll just change its color, and I will also change color of this in metaverse space. But before that, I think I should give it a layout grid of columns of 2, and 1600 would be the gutter. And now I can see some margin, some padding. Let's give it 1800. Okay, 1800 would work fine for me. Okay. We need to actually animate this text, but we will do it later on. First we will create some components. We'll create a component page, and later on that we will do some animations. Okay, let's create a page. This is our component page, and now let's copy this text. Now we need to also create a page over here. Alright, so this is our component page. Okay, so now what we'll do is that we will create a rectangle over here, and actually we need to split out these text. So let's just copy that and okay, I think we are good to go now. Let's choose this rectangle, and we will now mask this, use as mask, and we will also need mask for this. We can just go to here, and I want to give it some effect like so. I'll actually just decrease its opacity to 0, and this opacity to 0, and also this to 0, and I will just move this over here, and now I will just group them all. Instead of grouping, I can create its component, and now we need to detach it from the component. Now let's center that and increase its opacity to 100, put that up, and you should also increase its opacity, and let's also increase its opacity. Now let's check if everything is aligned properly. Yes, everything is aligned properly. I think I will need 3 animations taking place. Okay, I will duplicate this one again, and I'll put 100 to it. I will put 100 to this also, and I will put 100 to this. Now I'll do what is that I will just take it up, and yes, this is what I wanted. So we have 3 things, 3 frames. Let's select all these, and let's select these 2. Let's select these 2 and create multiple components. Now what we'll do is that we'll combine all of them as variants, and let's enter hero text content as TC. This would be 1, this would be 2, this would be 3. Now let's go to prototype, and on after delay we will be doing this like at 1 millisecond, and this would be smart animate and gentle, and this will also be after delay, but this would be at 250 milliseconds, and this will also be smart animate. Alright, I think this is good for now. Let's go to assets and let's just copy paste them. Okay, so I'll just go to UI and play this. Okay, this is nice. Now I am thinking of it should not be grid actually. Let's see. Yes, this is amazing for me actually. Let's just first take the text and write get started over there. Let's make all of them as uppercase. Choose get started, and now let's take a plugin. Let's take an icon from a plugin for Iconify, and this is what we get on arrow. I think I will just take this one. Let's change its color to white. I should not put that on grid. This is our icon. Let's increase its size by pressing K. Alright, so I will this is our actually icon and this is our text. I'll do what is that I will select these both of them and press Shift A so that it will auto align. Let's do that on center, and let's give it a fill of primary, and the secondary would be the color. Now let's give it a padding of 30 and 20. Alright, so let's decrease this one. Okay, so I think we can animate this also. Let's just name this as button. Let's cut that from here and put that over here. Alright, so let's copy that up right here. I think I need to frame this one, and the frame should be at the same size, but it should the clip content should be selected. I'll just do it like this. And now I will copy this, and now I will center this one. Alright, so now I will duplicate this one again, and now I want to animate this arrow over here. What I can do is that I will simply go to this button and now I will uncheck the clip button, and I will just increase its gap. Now I will duplicate that again, and now I will take that gap back. Okay, for now I think this would work. I will also need things for hover. Let's take that one, and let's give it effect of something like this at the y-axis. Okay, these are our components, so we'll click on create multiple components and create as variants. Now we will name all of them. Let's say this is our 1, this is our 2, and this is our 3, same as this 4, and this is 5. Now we will select this one, click on after delay of maybe 1 second, navigate to this. Okay, I need to do that again. After delay of 1 second, navigate to, oh sorry, I think I was not right there. After delay of 1 second, change to 2. Okay, I have this empty space over here, so I will just take that up. I know it is not allowing properly, I need to do that first. Okay, so this is our prototype, let's select this smart animate for now, and let's make it gentle. It was after a delay of 1 second, and it will last for 200 milliseconds. Now let's do that again. After a delay of 200 milliseconds, and after a delay of 200 milliseconds, and this will be after delay of 200 milliseconds. But this will also have one more on hovering. Navigate to this is on hovering. Navigate to 5. Okay, I think things are good right now. Let's test them out. I think this animation is pretty fast, and I also have to do that on the other one. Okay, when it was in this state, I will have to select on hover, and that too after let's do that by mouse. Okay, I need to actually duplicate that one. The 3 would be duplicated. Instead of that, I think I should duplicate this one. I will name this as 6. So we have 6 buttons over here. Now we'll click on this and press on hovering, and this is a nice section. I think things should work now fine. But I think I need to slow down the animation, as this should be let me see that first. This was delay of 1 second. I think this should have delay of 1500 milliseconds, that is 1.5 seconds. And now let's give this delays of 300 milliseconds on each. Okay, Okay, I think this is good for now. Let's go to the design again and let's put that up, and the text content should be a bit low. I will choose this and align this as left. Okay, now I will this animation is good for me. Now let's do things for this side, the right side. We had an image. This is the image actually, hero vector. Let's just copy that and let's paste it on the components. Okay, this is our image actually. Actually we don't need the background, so let's just remove that. This is our image actually. Now what we have to do is that we need to duplicate it first, and after that we need this to be a bit there, and let's duplicate this again and let's put that a bit down. I think I will rotate it a bit. This was 10 degree, right? Now I will do it negative 10 degree. Okay, at first I will decrease its opacity and put this out of this frame. Now what we'll do is that we will select all these three and create multiple components, choose variants, and let's name this as 1, this as 2, and this as 3. We will select this one, navigate to this after delay of maybe 1.5 seconds. This would be smart animate, and I will do it delay of 300 milliseconds. This would also be smart animate, but at like gentle. Also the duration would be 300 milliseconds, and I will put that again there. How much was the delay for this? Okay, 300. Gentle. Okay, now let's bring that in our UI. This is our hero section, hero image actually. Okay, things are aligned well, so let's see that. I think this is not looking nice. I need to stop the rotation. I also need to increase its what do you call it, duration to around 600. I need to resize it from the component. Now I'll just take this vector, okay. I think this animation looks cool to me, but I think we can take more on it. We can actually improve the header section. We'll now just go and take a frame. Let's give it resolution of 1920, and let's give it a fill of 10 opacity. And I will just go to background blur and give it a blur of maybe 20, 10 would be fine. I think I should give it 6. I think we need some manual links over there, so let's just do that simply by typing them. Or we can do is what we can do is that we can make its component. Let's click on this as component, and on hold we will turn this white to this. Okay, let's put the target from there. Okay, so now let's make this a component and choose that variants. This is default. This would be on hover. Let's click on prototype and V, and this is on hovering. Okay, so this is our menu link. So click on UI, go to assets, click on menu links. What we'll do now is that we will just duplicate this. Now enter. What do we need? Pricing and who we are. Or who are we? And are we, and FAQs. What should I write? Our products. Now we will click on auto layout. We need to go back to the component. Okay, let's decrease its size a bit, and let's put that right here. We need to decrease its gap. Okay, fine. So I think this is good. Yeah, I know that we can improve a lot in this, but for now I think I should leave it. I would love to know if you can improve in this, and I will share the file in the description so that you can work on it, and you can share your duplicate copy of it on the comment section. I would love to see them also. Till then, for now, I think this is it from me, and let's meet on the other video. And for now, you can like this video and subscribe for more such videos. Okay, I hope it was good, and thank you for watching.